Today we're going to look at the science of pocket hole screws. Today I'm going to put pocket hole screws and screws themselves under the microscope. It's really very interesting how these tiny little machines work, so stay tuned. I want to talk briefly about the technology of this joinery. In IT, we normally think of technology as digital, but there's technology in a lot of things, in particular in the way in which fibers in the wood are spun around the screw to attach these two pieces of wood, and it's really quite interesting. It all starts off with this special drill bit which drills two different diameter holes with one drill plunge. This cutaway shows the two holes that have been drilled, and as you can see, the screw can only get so far through the wood. The head is blocked by the wider section. Now these screws have a wider head which work well with this extra size hole, and what that does is it creates a compression on one end of the screw for one of the two pieces of wood being joined. Here you can see the screw coming out on an angle which helps secure it as it goes into the second piece of wood. Looking under the microscope, you can see that there is a channel cut in the screw's metal. This allows for wood to be channeled out as the screw drills into the destination. Under the microscope, you can see how the screw actually compresses the wood fibers in order to gain a grip on the piece of wood. What becomes really interesting, though, is as you move into the wood a little bit closer, you begin to see these curlies, and these curly spots are where the fibers actually wrap around the screw itself. Let's take a much closer look at one of those, and you can see how it actually almost is wrapped around the screw in a way so you not only have the hole, but you have these fibers holding on for dear life. And there you go, pocket hole screws under the microscope. I don't know about you, but I found it really fascinating how these things really grip onto the wood fibers and hold. And that's what makes this whole thing possible. It's a mix not just of the spirals, but how the spirals wrap the fiber around the screw to create its own special holding force. And with that, my name is David Gowertz for Advanced Geekery. Go out there and make something awesome with science.